first you need to join this end with this end, okay, like this. Then open the paper. This vertical line should be facing towards you. Now you need to join this end with this end. That way you will get another line. Open the paper. Now the square should be facing towards you. Join these two corners with these two corners. Again open the paper. Join these two corners with these two corners. Now again open the paper. Now the square should be this way. It should be like diamond is facing towards you. This triangle you will join with this triangle. Okay. And this triangle you will join with this triangle. Now same way opposite side. This triangle with this triangle. And this triangle with this triangle. So you will get a smaller square now. Okay. Now see, you will notice that this part is closed and this part is open. So the open part should be facing towards you. Okay. Now you have to take this corner and you have to keep your finger over here. Take this corner and bring it here and you'll get a triangle color. Okay. Same way opposite side. Now what you have done here, same you have to do it on the back side. Turn your paper. You get a shape like a kite. Okay. Now see this triangle. Can you see this triangle? Yes. So first you have to turn your triangle towards inside. Okay. And then again turn it towards the outside. Okay. Now open and you will get the small square again. Okay. Now what you will do? Now you have to keep your finger over here. Make sure of these corners. Okay. And you have to fold this line. See, now when you fold a line, this will become one. Okay. Now turn and same thing. Make sure about this line. Okay. Do you all understand till now? Okay. Now what you'll do is you again have to fold this part this way and this part okay, turn same way. Now what you'll do is you have to join these two parts and join these two parts. Keep on shaping your paper for the edges. Okay. Now take this up, take this up. Again now turn this way and then turn it this way. This much is done. Now you have to pull. You have to pull this part a little bit outwards and then keep your thumb inside and move this way. Okay. This is your beak. This is the head. Again pull this one a little bit below. Open this two and that's your wings and this is your bird.